Hi, so I'm Kevin,
And I'm Hope.
and we are two vets in a van. And it was 1 year ago that we started our little video blogging and YouTube channel. So we want to thank you all.
Don't mind the mosquitoes swarming us. I think we have really good blood.
Yeah, they're enjoying feasting on us right now up here in Drummond Island, Michigan. So yeah, thank you for the past year, and we're going to keep making videos for y'all.
We came from that direction over that way, and now we're on the plains. You have to stay on the gravel roads or marked areas, because the rest is to be nature protected.
What type of trees are those, babe?
There's pine, tamarack. I don't see any cedar this time. But it's just a lot of them old growth, different types of pine trees. The Nature Conservancy of the plains. Last year they were doing the roads. Stacked rocks over there. This is what some of the areas of the plains out here looks like. That little building behind the tree way out there, that's I think one of the geology study areas. They come out here and study this area because it resembles the Alaskan way the Alaskan stuff grows. And I guess we have some older plant life here than they do there. I was reading about it not too long ago. Bit back here. She's checking out the stones.
My little puppy just running. Following me? Whew, the mosquitoes are thick. Okay, I'll do a little 360. That's the memorial right there where the van's parked. That's the yacht haven. Beautiful area. Really, really nice. The water is out. Last year the water was all the way up to there. Bit! You filthy thing. Now you're covered in mud, you silly thing. But like I said, that is where the water was last year, and now it's all the way out there.
Got Mr. and Mrs. Mallard down here taking a bath. We'll do Mr. first. There he is. And there she is. It's hard to see out of dark glasses.
Okay, tonight's meal in the van is spaghetti and meatballs.
Oh, you want me to get the package?
So it should be tasty. The meatballs and sauce came in a packet, so that was pretty cool. We'll see how that goes. And it's just regular spaghetti. This is the packet of meatballs.
Hereford, they're the ones who do the jerky and the meat sticks.
Yeah, so it should be good.
But we got this at Dollar General, right?
I think it was Dollar General we got it.
Yeah.
So we'll see. We're cooking away. So how's it taste, babe?
I will tell you, the cup noodles were good. They're al dente. Oh, very good. I'm eating a meatball. Good.
Awesome. So there you go. Spaghetti and meatballs in the van. Okay, so we're over here at the North Haven, and this here is the Pudding Stone Rock Shop, and they make some amazing things right here. Really cool. Well, this is the North Haven. Clothing and gifts. It's one of the first places you hit when you come on the island. Really, really beautiful shop. Take you in a minute. But right outside the shop, they got this little sitting area. Got swings. Oh, look at this. Just beautiful. Beautiful little shop. Well, at least we get to see some deer.
Oh, something like that. If we get to go out to the plains, you know, like we have to stand around the road except for that one. Some of those areas. But I'm gonna look for morels.
Deer, 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 deer. Okay, so in the past 12 months, what was your favorite thing that we've done while traveling?
My favorite thing we done while traveling?
Yep.
I like coming to Drummond Island and Detour to see the area, but I love drumming the plains.
Yep.
And I like seeing the scenic water on Lake Huron.
Well, in the past 12 months, we put 18,000 miles on the van. And my favorite thing was Nova Scotia. It was beautiful. It was amazing. The views, just spectacular.
Yeah.
So
to me, it was like basically like Michigan, only over in Canada, it was like little shots of Europe.
it was amazing. So that was my favorite. So here's to another year of traveling. Once Hope gets her leg fixed.
Yep. Hopefully it's soon.
Yep. So thanks for watching, and ask us any questions you want, and we'll try and answer them for you guys. So thanks.
If you have any ideas or recommendations, let us know.
Yeah, let us know, and we'll get back with you. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the flip side.
Love y'all.
See you guys.